I'm going to read you a book called A Friend for Sam. Joanne looked out the window. It's a sunny day, she said. You can play outside, Sam. Joanne opened the door and Sam went out. Have fun, Sam, said Joanne. Sam looked at the backyard. This is not fun, she thought. I need a friend. A robin hopped past. Good, thought Sam. This robin can be my friend. Sam ran after the robin. Whoop, she said, but the robin hopped away. The robin flew over the fence. Then it was gone. A frog hopped past. Good, thought Sam. This frog can be my friend. Sam ran after the frog. Woof, she said, but the frog hopped away. The frog hopped under the fence. Then it was gone. Sam looked at the fence. I need to get out, she thought. I need to find a friend. Sam started to dig. She dug and dug. Dirt flew all around. Here I go, she thought. Sam squeezed and squeezed. At last she was out. Sam went past garbage cans and bicycles. Where can I find a friend? She thought. A black cat ran by. Woof, said Sam. When the cat saw Sam, it ran up a tree. Hiss, said the cat. A cat is not a good friend for me, thought Sam. A red squirrel ran by. Woof, said Sam. When the squirrel saw Sam, it ran up a tree. Cheer, cheer, said the squirrel. A squirrel is not a good friend for me, thought Sam. A green snake slid by. Woof, said Sam. When the snake saw Sam, it slid behind a rock. Said the snake. A snake is not a good friend for me, thought Sam. Hi, puppy, said someone. Sam looked around. Who is that? She thought. Two eyes looked through a fence. Sam looked at the eyes. The eyes looked at Sam. Sam peeked through the fence. She saw a little boy. He was eating ice cream. I like you, puppy, said the boy. He stuck the ice cream out for Sam. Sam licked it. Yum, she thought. Woof, said Sam. She jumped at the fence and wagged her little tail. The boy dropped the ice cream. You can have it, puppy, he said. Woof, woof, said Sam. Sam gobbled up the ice cream. Yum, yum, she thought. I like this boy. He can be my friend. I have to go now, puppy, said the little boy. Woof, said Sam, as she started for home. Sam went past the cat, past the squirrel, past the snake, and went past the garbage cans and the bicycle. She squeezed into her own. Now I have a friend, thought Sam. Not a robin, not a frog, not a cat, not a squirrel, and not a snake. A little boy is a good friend. And a good friend gives me ice cream. Yum. The end. What was your favorite part of the story? My favorite part of the story is when he finally found a friend.